Hello, traders and investors. This is Reggie with Stock Talk. I've got another stock that will be an awesome earnings play. If you watch my video yesterday on T-Mobile, that was also one of my stocks that I explained. I saw a pattern, consistent pattern during earnings, and I see the same one here. So let's get into it. Sherman Williams owns the commercial paint business, and so you've got that dominance. Also, with a presidential administration that's coming in, that's going to be very friendly to infrastructure. They're going to do a lot of infrastructure spending, which means the construction business is going to be booming, which translates to Sherman Williams. So this would be a good long stock to have for 2021. But as far as the earnings, so this is a 1 day pattern. Let's go to the weekly. There's a pattern when it comes to earnings. So the earnings date for Sherman Williams will be January 28th, right? And so what I like to look at is the behavior of a stock before earnings and after. So they have earnings and then they drop a dividend right after, right? A week later. So last earnings was this. This is a weekly options now. This week was a buyer's week, and then the following week, boom, look at that, jumped from 691 to 635, and then traded in the range, right? Let's go back to the one previous to that. The week of July 27th, hit earnings, blew away earnings, and boom, that week up. Look at that, just went up, never turned away. And then you have the dividend. And sometimes see, like after the dividend, sometimes people sell. So you can see here is a red day the day after, but it was still up. Boom, boom, just kept going. Let's look at the previous one to that. Look at this week. Boom, uptrend, uptrend, up, never turn back, never turn back. Earnings actually sparked look at that, a move to the upside. Now look at this. Now this is in January, pre-COVID, right? Pre-COVID still did the same thing. We're not as much strength, right? We actually had a little bit of a sell-off on that week, and then boom, retraced up. Look, it's heading back up, and then look like COVID hit, right? And then it retraced down. So let's go here this week, October of 2019. Same behavior. That week was an up week for the stock. The next week, up. All right, a little bit of a sell-off. Even on weeks that it sells off to the upside. Boom. So for like 3 weeks, yeah, 3 weeks upside here. You had 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks upside here. From basically April. So that kind of benefited from COVID. It looked like April to 27. So that was a good COVID stock. Probably would drove this momentum here. But consistently, 2 to 3 weeks after earnings, it pushes to the upside. So that is Sherman Williams. Put this on your watch list. I would play this. This pattern is very consistent, and I would actually get in now. I mean, it may like right now it looks like it's a bit of a downtrend, but this is such a strong stock. The downtrend really is just a sideways motion, and so it may retrace back down to the bottom of the Bollinger Band here, the 716, which will be a steal. But we have the MacD indicator just completed a golden cross on the 11th. It was yesterday. Just finished the golden cross and it's headed to the upside. And so I wouldn't be surprised tomorrow. So it's breaking out of this trend, this channel it was trading in, and we needed to break past 747. So I got a price tag at 747, and then I believe it will be heading north. And then with the strong earnings, this stock should really, really pop. So keep that on your watch list. I am a swing trader, so I look at hundreds of stocks a day. I trade based off of technical analysis and chart patterns. So when I find gems like this, I do drop videos, and a lot of these things are time sensitive. So yeah. Sorry, the week's early. So just hey, hit the notification bell. like, and subscribe so you can be notified when I drop these gems. All right, this is Reggie with Stock Talk. I will see you on the next video.